Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Beeswax Leather Conditioner is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who owns leather goods. From shoes to jackets, leather requires regular care to maintain its suppleness and prevent cracking. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Beeswax Leather Conditioners, exploring their benefits, how to use them, and why they're a must-have for preserving your leather investments. Number 5. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. This kit is the perfect solution for your leather care needs. It keeps leather soft and crack-free. This kit cleans and conditions your leather goods. First, use the pH-balanced cleaner to lift away dirt and grime. Then, the conditioner nourishes and restores flexibility. This process enhances the leather's natural scent. Over time, leather can dry out and lose its luster. This kit replenishes essential moisture. It helps prevent cracking and fading, ensuring long-lasting beauty. This kit is not just for cars, it's perfect for home and fashion items. It restores and protects leather seats, jackets, shoes, and furniture. Keep all your leather goods looking their best. The formula is easy to use for instant results. Simply apply, wipe, and buff for soft, smooth, and rejuvenated leather. It's ideal for car interiors, sofas, and handbags. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution, cleaning and conditioning in one go. It protects against drying, cracking, and fading, ensuring your leather goods last longer. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to maintain all your leather items, from car seats to jackets, this is the perfect choice. What people say. After some Amazon research, I came across this product and it had good reviews. I used both as directed, first cleaning the sofa with the cleaner, then applying the conditioner with a microfiber sponge. I was amazed at how refreshed and new my sofa looked. The shine was back. In fact, when my husband went to sit on it that evening, he commented that the sofa was slippery. As advertised, it doesn't leave any film or oil residue. The results speak for themselves. The conditioner leaves the leather soft. Number 4. OBENAUF'S Heavy Duty LP Leather Preservative, 8 ounces. Introducing OBENAUF'S Heavy Duty LP, a natural beeswax and oil conditioner. This product is designed to rejuvenate and restore your leather goods. It will bring them back to life. Is your leather looking worn or sun-faded? This preservative can help. It's perfect for boots, jackets, saddles, and more. The cream melts when applied by hand, making it easy to use. It penetrates deep to condition and protect. You will love how easy it is to apply. This heavy-duty leather preservative is proudly made in the USA. It's a product you can trust for quality and durability. Get yours today. Protect your investment and extend the life of your leather items. This product will keep your leather looking its best for years to come. Give it a try and see the difference. What we like. This product uses real beeswax and plant oils to rejuvenate and restore your leather. It's especially effective on dried and sun-faded items. If you have older leather goods that need a deep conditioning treatment, this is the ideal product. What people say. It works better than anything I've used before, and left my leather soft, supple, and protected, but with absolutely no sticky or oily residue. Both of these items receive daily, rigorous use and abuse, and they're both still soft and supple over a month later, no need to reapply yet. The boots still repel water and muck, and when I applied it initially, the leather drank in the conditioning like it just crossed a desert, so I applied a second treatment the next day. This product made the chair look brand new, removing the faded dry marks lines. I was so impressed, I went out to my car and used it on my leather seats where it was showing wear from getting in and out of the driver's side. It made the seats look brand new. Number 3. Chemical Guys Vintage Leather Conditioner. This water-based formula is blended with vitamin E and aloe extracts. It moisturizes leather, restoring a soft, supple feel. If neglected, leather can crack, fade, and discolor, but this product helps prevent that. After cleaning the surface, apply the leather conditioner with a microfiber applicator. Work it into the surface and buff off any excess. You'll enjoy the newly restored soft feel and natural look of fresh leather. This conditioner maintains coated and natural leather. It contains vitamin E and aloe to restore the soft feel. You'll see the difference, and you'll love the smell. This kit works on all leather items. Use it on seats, interiors, jackets, shoes, boots, couches, purses, and bags. Everyone has something leather in their home that can benefit from this product. The leather conditioner has a subtle leather scent. Vitamin E nourishes leather and helps reduce daily damage. It's the perfect choice to maintain your leather's soft, factory-fresh look, feel, and smell. What we like. This conditioner is designed to restore the soft feel of your leather with vitamin E and aloe. Its dry-to-the-touch formula ensures a clean finish. If you like a product that leaves your leather feeling and smelling fresh, this is the one for you. What people say. This made a great job, and now the driver's seat has a better feeling to the touch than the other seats. It leaves a matte finish with a faint leather smell that's quite nice. This left a deep wet look, which is what I was seeking for my black leather auto interior. Easy to apply and smells good. Seems to be long-lasting. Works well on old saddlebags. It does seem to lubricate the leather, and after letting it soak in and wiping off the excess, it looks great. Number 2. JobSite Mink Oil Leather Waterproof Paste, 3 ounces. Are your leather boots and shoes looking a little worn? This paste is designed to protect and preserve your leather goods. It helps to maintain their appearance and extend their lifespan. This mink oil paste provides excellent waterproof protection. It creates a barrier against moisture, keeping your leather items safe from the elements. This helps prevent water damage and keeps them looking their best. Applying this product is simple and straightforward. Just a small amount is needed to provide effective protection. It's easy to use and will keep your leather looking great. This paste not only protects against water but also conditions the leather. It helps to keep the leather soft and supple, preventing cracking and drying. Use it regularly to keep your leather goods in top condition. Trust JobSite for quality leather care. This mink oil paste is a reliable choice for preserving your leather boots and shoes. It's a great way to protect your investment and keep your leather items looking their best. What we like. This product is designed to waterproof and preserve your leather items. It protects against the elements, extending the life of your boots and shoes. If you need to protect your leather from water damage, you should consider this. What people say. It is water resistant. It sheds water to prevent your leather from becoming dry from the elements. Keeps my boots dry when I'm out hunting, fishing, and working. Number 1. Cobbler's Choice Leather Cream. This is Cobbler's Choice Leather Cream. It's designed to keep your leather goods looking their best. The cream is made with all natural ingredients. The cream is made with the finest quality ingredients. It's designed to protect and nourish your leather items. This product is all natural. You can feel good about using it on your favorite leather items. The secret ingredient is triple filtered beeswax. It helps to create a protective barrier, keeping your leather safe. Use it on your shoes, bags, and other leather items. It will help to keep them looking great for years to come. What we like. This cream uses triple filtered beeswax for a high-quality finish. It is designed to maintain the look and feel of your leather. If you like a product that uses natural ingredients and provides a premium finish, you should consider this. What people say. My Chelsea boots looked beautiful afterward and still do. This product changed the look of the leather in just one application. It's doing a great job of making this old bag look like a young version of itself. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.